Hello, hope you are well. Today I'm going to be sharing with you a comprehensive list of edible nuts. Chestnuts, hazelnuts, acorns, rarely eaten, must be leached first. Beech nuts. For common culinary nuts, we have almonds, walnuts, which can also be regarded as English Persian walnut or black walnut, cashew nuts, pistachios, pecans, Brazil nuts, macadamia, pine nuts, also known as pignoli, peanuts, coconuts. The edible flesh is nut-like but technically a drupe. Pili nuts, tiger nuts, which are actually tubers but used like nuts. The rest of the nuts I'm sharing are less common, like kola nuts, used in traditional medicine and flavorings. Ginkgo nuts, they're eaten in small amounts. Mangogo nuts, common in Southern Africa. Kando nuts, used in Indonesian cuisine, must be cooked. Barrow nuts, from the Brazilian savanna. Bread nut, related to jackfruit, roasted and eaten. Hickory nuts. Monkey pazo nuts. Macona almonds, a Spanish variety of almond. Thank you for watching. Hope to see you in the next video.